and combined footings. You will also learn the types of combined footing. Welcome to the video on combined footings. In this video, you will learn about strap and combined footings. You will also learn the types of combined footings, including rectangular and trapezoidal footings. Remember the categories of shallow foundations. As mentioned, this video will focus on the strap footings and combined footings categories. A strap footing consists of two or more column footings, connected by a concrete beam. This type of beam is called a strap beam. It is used to help distribute the weight of either heavily or eccentrically loaded column footings to adjacent footings. More often than not, it is considered as another type of combined footing, rather than an independent category of footings. The strap beam doesn't remain in contact with soil, and thus, doesn't transfer any pressure to the soil. A strap footing is often used in conjunction with columns that are located along a building's property line. Typically, columns are centered on column footings. But, in conditions where columns are located directly adjacent to the property line, the column footings may be offset, so that they do not encroach onto the adjacent property. This results in an eccentric load on a portion of the footing, causing it to tilt to one side. The strap beam restrains the tendency of the footing to overturn, by connecting it to nearby footings. Let us now look at combined footings. Combined footings support two or more columns with a single footing. They are used when the two columns are so close to each other that their individual footings would overlap. Combined footing is also provided when the property line is so close to one column that a spread footing would be eccentrically loaded when kept entirely within the property line. By combining it with that of an interior column, the load is evenly distributed. Combined footings are also preferred in case of the soil having low bearing capacity and a large area being required under the individual footings. There are two types of combined footings: rectangular type and trapezoidal type. Rectangular footings are provided when both the columns on the footing are of the same size and carry the same load. They are also used when one of the projections of the footings is restricted, or the width of the footing is restricted. Trapezoidal footing is provided when the load on one of the columns is larger than the other column. In the next few videos, you will learn to design combined footings. Thanks for watching.